Understanding, my skin is peeling. A guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in English, my skin is peeling. Understanding such phrases is crucial for mastering the nuances of the English language. Let's dive into what this phrase means, when it's used, and how you can incorporate it into your conversations. When someone says, my skin is peeling, they're referring to a condition where the outer layer of their skin is coming off in pieces or sheets. This is not about removing a layer intentionally, but rather, it occurs as a natural process of the body responding to various conditions. Peeling can happen for several reasons, such as sunburn, dryness, or recovery from a skin injury. Skin peeling is the body's way of getting rid of damaged cells. After a sunburn, for example, the top layer of the skin might die and start to peel off, making way for new, healthy skin underneath. It's a protective mechanism that helps maintain the overall health of your skin. Peeling can also be a sign of healing or the body's reaction to specific treatments or environmental conditions. This phrase can be used in casual conversations, especially when explaining why you might be avoiding certain activities, like swimming or sunbathing, or why you look a certain way, with visible peeling on your skin. For example, I can't go to the beach today. My skin is peeling from the last time we went. Do you have any moisturizer? My skin is peeling really bad. It can also be used to seek advice or share remedies for skincare after sun exposure or during dry seasons. While the phrase is straightforward, it's essential to understand the context in which it's used. Talking about peeling skin can be a bit personal, so it's usually shared with friends or family rather than in formal settings. Additionally, discussing ways to prevent skin damage or care for peeling skin can be seen as a form of empathy or concern in many cultures. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, my skin is peeling, and how it can be used in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is not just about the words but understanding the context and cultural nuances behind them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring the beauty of English.